Good morning, everybody. We are in Teani.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We're in
Did you say Teani?
Where are we? We're not in Teani. That's our friend.
Come on.
Where are we?
Teano.
You know what? Same difference. We are in a beautiful little lake town just outside the Milford Sound. And we've driven how long? About 3 hours to get here from Queenstown. One of the best tour guides I've ever, well, at least the funniest tour guide I think I've ever had. We're going to the store to use Bookface and get some food, and then go to the Milford Sound for the rest of the day. That's a cool store.
You should have to try a New Zealand pie.
I will.
Do you want to go get a pie?
Time and life.
I might want to go get one.
My mum's favourite ones are up north, actually. But I don't know. I've never been down here, so I don't know. Hi.
Hello, how are you? Perfect, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Kia ora.
Es mucho delicioso.
Muy bien. Yeah. Well, wait.
Wait.
Okay. You need to bite into it and tell the camera how good it is.
Am I gonna burn my tongue?
And please be honest, look at that pie. Yeah. You gotta get to that pastry.
So good.
That's quite a big pie. Oh man, I can smell it.
It's nice and flaky.
In America, they used to pies, like fruit pies.
Yeah.
You see the inside.
Oh really? Not like steak
It
pie.
actually
I've
is.
never seen a meat
Oh,
pie.
Oh right. It's so big here that I thought that they had to be big everywhere.
What did you call that?
Serviette.
Serviette?
Serviette.
I've never heard of that.
What are you eating? Are you hungry?
That's so funny.
I'm gonna eat some Cheds, some Cheez-Its from America.
Man.
Any sandwich?
They call them
Kids
Cheds
rule.
here.
They're so
And they
addictive.
look a little bit more authentic here. They look healthier. I don't know if they are.
Probably not at all.
They don't use all the food
They're
coloring
not,
we
like,
use in the
bright orange?
States. Yeah, they're not bright. Neon orange. Alright, old boy's gonna be not too happy with us. We're running late to get back to the bus, but I think, I don't know where the girls are actually. I wonder if they know what time it is. Hopefully they do. Otherwise they're gonna be late as well.
Hey.
Do you remember where we parked in? Alright, we'll get there.
My name's Carlin. It's like a car with a lin on the end. It's spelled funny. It's my mum's fault. Long story, you missed it. What we're going to do is head towards Milford Sound. And along the way we're going to make a couple of stops. Sorry, flowers. I'll see that or the window. Kind of like keeping my bus windows intact, so I'd run over a couple of flowers every now and again. We're going to make our way towards Milford. Firstly, guys, you guys that have just joined us, welcome aboard. Now's probably a good time for me to apologise for being your driver today. Get that out of the way.
Milford Sound, here we come.
Luke's more of a salmon when he jumps.
I think yours is the flailing chicken.
Yeah.
Sound. We're about to join the orange boat for our tour. And this is our skipper right here.
I am.
There he is. Good news. We got a great boat right here. Yeah. Old boy is our skipper.
Yeah. So you guys, welcome on board. Mind your signature.
Cheers, thank you.
Hey!
Alright, so we're just in the Milford Sound.
Yeah.
And for lunch here we got some delicious fish and chips on our boat and an entire box of goodies over there. You putting pepper on your chips?
I'm sprinkling heaps of pepper on my chips.
Why are you doing that?
Because I like it with quite a lot of spice.
How's yours?
It makes it more yum.
It's fishy.
It's fishy, huh? It's good?
Fishy.
Good.
I bet it's from here, but we're eating the fish
Yeah,
that we're
probably.
sailing over.
I'd like to go fishing today.
That is
actually.
quite yum.
Oh, that's a lot of salt. Good.
Oh my gosh.
You want some salt with your chips?
I already have salt.
Chips with your salt?
Oh yeah, chips with your salt.
Yeah,
We're in the captain's house. Whoa.
Is that right? See what I mean?
Yeah. Wow. Thank you for having us.
Now,
yeah, it's amazing.
You get in the camera, and you two girls can. No, don't you come over here. You two girls can have.
Oh, we're steering.
Oh, I don't want to. I don't want to ruin it.
Yes, you do.
Here, hold this.
No, let her have a go first, and then you can have a go.
Okay.
But you guys needn't ask, because only the pretty ones get to do this.
Exactly.
Oh, right. Boys can be pretty too, right?
A joker said that to me last year, and I said, how do you know? He said, I looked in the mirror. I said, we're still not going to bloody drive the boat.
What are you doing with that little...
I'm playing with my little stick.
I was going to say something else and then I stopped myself. Is that directing where we're going?
That's driving the boat.
Goodness.
But I'll give you an example of that when we turn away from the rocks. I'm not going to go on to that steering with the rocks being so
Nicole,
close.
are you going to crash us into the rocks?
Yes.
Are you from the States too?
No, I'm from Australia.
Are you an Australian?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, God. I got an Australian.
Why is that a good thing? We only
You'll find out shortly.
Oh.
Okay, change the steering.
Okay.
We press that onto what it says wheel steering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Green light.
Okay, I'm on.
You're on, but you have to steer it.
Where should I go?
Turn it this way
Oh,
towards
it's really
me.
heavy.
Come on.
Oh,
You sure I should do this? I'm not sure.
Yeah,
I'm not really qualified for this.
Now look how many times you've turned it,
Yeah, and nothing's happening.
and nothing's happening.
Faster?
Yeah,
I'm starting to
that'll
sweat a
do.
little bit.
That'll
Okay.
do. The woo, it's like a man that's a little bit slow to react, but it gets there in the finish.
Yeah, and then
Yeah.
it keeps going down quite quickly.
Now
Get
take
in
it back
this.
the other way.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Manu's controlling the boat.
Driving it.
Seriously.
Oh my goodness.
That's
Gosh, you
enough.
must have strong arms.
That's enough.
That's enough?
We're still turning it.
Yeah, but
And just leave it there,
Okay.
and it'll go relatively straight. Although, there's actually 16 turns from lock to lock. That's why we don't use that one all the time.
It just takes it out of you.
You just be at it the whole time, you know?
yeah.
That's all.
I've never seen real ones. Thank you.
You look through the small end.
Thanks.
Now, in front of us, we have something really quite special. You mightn't be able to make it out because there's a bit of cloud cover out there, but having seen it many times myself, I can tell you all about it. Now, in front of us, we have a lovely island, beautiful sandy beaches, a handful of buildings. 1,100 miles away, it's called Australia. Now, the earliest Australian settler was a special type of person. They were selected by some of the finest judges in England. Well, I think it's funny.
I missed it. Can you say it again? That went right over my head.
Oh dear.
Prisoners.
Oh. I'm not actually Australian. My dad's English.
Right.
And my mum's Italian.
Okay.
Where are you from?
Australia.
No, you're not. Where are you from in Australia?
A place called Malden, which is out from Castlemaine in Victoria. Only if you're like me and Maori.
Are you married?
Oh yes.
But you're Australian.
No, I was telling you a lie.
Oh,
I was born up Hohora.
I'm from Sydney.
Loved Melbourne, hated Sydney.
I grew up in
The first fur sealers came to New Zealand around 1782. At the time.
Manu's currently supposed to tell him when he gets 4 meters, 12 feet away from the wall.
I don't know what.
Focus up.
I don't know what. I'd say about.
It's about 30
Like
feet.
now?
A little more.
Yeah.
I'm gonna just say keep going.
That's good.
Yeah, that's fine. Stop. Stop. He's not stopping. Okay, it's out of my hands. It's not my responsibility.
Manu, you meant to stop him. Wow, look at
That's
that.
more than full.
Has she held her hand up yet?
Look at the water.
And Jonty's got the coffee going, but it's not ready yet, so we might have
It is
to
ready.
wring his neck.
Hey, hey, hey.
kidding.
This guy, you really need some coffee now,
No, I
don't you?
really do.